Hi everybody, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and today we've got a unboxing for you. So we got this Singer sewing machine, and let's unbox this for you. Welcome back from the intro. So, in case you're not aware, we are making these face masks. We did a little video on this earlier. I've just got this battery pack here just to prop it up for camera, so it looks nice. And yeah, how we're making the filters is actually pretty much a full DIY solution. We're going to be using some fabrics. Val did a bunch of research. She included those research documents in the previous post, or in the previous video, which we'll have linked, I think, somewhere up here. And yeah, rather than hand sew them, and there's a few other projects we're looking at that would require a sewing machine, we figured let's invest in a sewing machine. So my tax return came back. I got a nice kickback from the government, and we ordered this Singer Heavy Duty 4452. As you can tell, we've actually already opened it. We just wanted to check to make sure everything was in there, because when we got it and brought it into the apartment, the box on the bottom looks a little scarred, and we were worried that maybe it broke or something came out of the box, because sometimes that happens. Yeah, we did a lot of research, and Val contacted some of her friends who run businesses based around sewing, and this was the model that we kind of came down to. There were a few different ones. We looked at a Brother, a Genome. I almost said Genome, which it drives Val nuts when I say that. And we looked at a couple different versions of the Singer. There's actually a lot of different versions that are pretty much the same machine, just with different accessories or different, like the stitch wheel almost is different, which these are not the replaceable stitch wheels like you'd see on like a Husqvarna. Husqvarna we looked at for a split second, but it's way out of our price range. They're really nice machines though. But yeah, so this is supposed to be a pretty heavy duty, good quality, reliable machine. I think it's all, it's still an American company, but as it says here on the side, it's made in Vietnam, but what is made in its home country anymore these days? So I'm going to just set this off to the side so I can get started on opening this up. Okay, so let's fold these flaps down. Ow! Stick myself with the cardboard. So it actually comes with pretty minimal instructions, and there's a thing here about how they thank you for reducing their carbon footprint by just downloading the full instruction booklet online, which makes sense. I mean, these days, who needs like a full frickin' book for your sewing machine? You can always download it, and you can search with Control F, which is always great. These are a bunch of the accessories that it came with. So we've got a few extra needles, a walking foot. That's supposed to be really good for stretch fabrics, to my understanding. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a sewing expert. It also comes with this soft dust cover, which is made out of almost like a terry cloth almost? I don't know. It's like a J cloth, I would say, almost, if that makes any sense to you guys. Some foam. And now we get to the fun part. So I'm gonna have to stand up here a little bit, or actually, no, I think I can maybe just rotate this to get it out. It's got these two big chunguses of styrofoam, almost like cardboard. So these nice big formed pieces of styrofoam. Set this way, and you can kind of see where the some of the shipping damage was there. The bottom came off of the foam. Thankfully, the foam stayed in place. It is formed foam. And then let's take off this bag. Okay. There's the front of the machine, and this is the foot pedal and the instructions for connecting the foot pedal, which is actually the power input at this, excuse me. It's actually the power input at the same time. So if you're not familiar with that, I know some machine brands, they'll actually have the power supply be separate, and the foot pedal is just kind of like how you'd have on a piano, where it's like a sustain pedal that connects in externally. So this actually, the power goes through the pedal. You can see the polarized connector there, and then it goes into this jack, and that plugs into the back here. So nice streamlined solution. There's one cord pretty much, which is always nice. This has a slide out base on it, or like a slide out bed. I'm not sure what the exact terminology is. Again, I'm not a sewing person. Looking to get into the hobby though. For like doing, Val said, for like sleeve stitches and stuff like that. Yeah, and so you can fit like smaller items on there, I guess, and stretch stuff out. It's also got these accessories. So it's got a needle, or a couple needles in here. It's got a couple bobbins and some feet. Looks like these are like the nylon or the Teflon feet. I know for if you're doing leather work, which the great thing about this is you can do some light leather work on it, which is great. You need a Teflon foot, otherwise it kind of just binds. So yeah, some bobbin adapters and whatnot. And yeah, that's about it for this guy. He's got a nice little bobbin holder here for your thread. You can tell I have no idea. I'm a little out of my depth here. Yeah. All in all, I would say the build quality is very nice. The plastic looks good. I know some machines we've looked at in stores have been a little, like the budget ones have been a little sketchy. This guy wasn't too badly priced. It was about, what, $300 Canadian with shipping and everything. We got this from Nova Sewing out in Hamilton. They also have a shop or two shops technically in London, and it's nearby tributary towns or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, the guys there were super helpful. We called in because there's the whole COVID thing going on right now, and we asked, oh, we saw that you guys are closed at 2 of your locations. Are you still accepting online orders? Because we just want to make sure, because sometimes the information isn't up to date. They reassured us that they're still doing e-commerce, and they actually shipped it out to us the same day that we ordered it. And we didn't order it like early in the day. We actually ordered it, I think, around 3, which is usually around like the cutoff time for most e-commerce stuff, where they've got like a brick and mortar. They shipped it out, and like obviously we ordered it right before the Easter holiday weekend, and this is what, Wednesday? Yeah, we're on Wednesday. So I ordered this on Friday, Thursday or Friday, I don't know. Maybe it was Saturday. I don't know. It was really freaking quick. I don't remember exactly the date. I could look it up, but that's beside the point. Really quick shipping. It was through Canada Post. They also offer like a flat rate shipping if you're buying like multiple items and you're a little worried about the cost. Yeah. They do curbside pickup as well, through the shipping or through their store. So honestly, I'd recommend them. If you guys are watching this from Nova Sewing, I really appreciate your guys' hard work in getting this to us. We're going to make a lot of face masks and hopefully help out a lot of people. So I think that about covers it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Never know how to do these things because it's always kind of alien to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Let us know down below if you've got any projects you're working on with sewing, or if you think us making masks is dumb. I don't know. Yeah, Stay safe, wash your hands, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye for now.